This is the Accept Payment section. By clicking here, you will be taken to the Merchant Login page. If you are a new user, you can sign up from here. Now fill in the details. After signing up, you can now sign in from this page. Now click on the Get Verified button. It will verify your business for basic payment processing. Now provide your business details below. Click on the Verify Now button. Now click on the Add a Crypto Address button to receive settlements for payments. Now select the desired asset and click on the Add Address button. Fill in the details for finalizing the payment process.